Now we are going to talk about ping and traceroute. Actually, ping used for destination host reachable check purpose. If destination host is reachable, then it will give you ping replay. And traceroute we are used for which path we are using for go to destination location, right? So that how we can use those from MikroTik router. If you go to the tools, then there is an option is ping. If you want to check ping like that Google DNS, you can just start here. Then you can see it's just destination host reachable, right? And now if we talk about Traceroute, so then you should go to the tools, then there is a Traceroute. Then we can give the Google DNS here. How we can reach our Google DNS? Then just click start. Then you can see this is our gateway and this is our ISP. Then there is IIG. That's the way just you can reach Google DNS. Thank you for watching. Take care.